If my life was a movie, I'd be the side character. The quiet one, the extra with no lines. The first one the zombie eats as a plot device to announce the zombie invasion. In the credits, I'll be called the girl in the coffee shop, the NPC.
Which way you going, bro?
But if my life was a movie, I'd do every friggin' thing in my power to change that.
I don't cross my T's. I don't dot my I's. I won't say pretty please or speak in little white lies. I've got a rebel soul. I've got a rebel soul. I've got a rebel soul. I've got a rebel soul.
She said, call you back, call you back. She said, call you back, in a minute. She said, call you back. She said, call you back.
I don't know. I don't know. Like, what's the flavor of my life? नॉर्मल है बस ना ही ज़्यादा ट्रोमैटिक ना ही ज़्यादा एडवेंचरस ना ही ज़्यादा हैपनिंग बस नॉर्मल ज़िंदगी है जैसे सबकी होती है यू नो बचपन में आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक दिस इंट्रोवर्टेड टॉपर हु इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक पार्ट ऑफ ऑल द एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स आई डोंट रियली रिमेंबर हैविंग लाइक a life from my school days. I used to just be so busy in all the 100 things that I was doing. I was basically Johan from Tare Zameen Par. Now, if I think about my life, like really think about it, I think it is decently happening, kinda adventurous. I go on trips, I meet people, I do a lot of new things. But I feel like a part of me is still stuck in wo jo school wali Sanika who is just not used to having a lot of autonomy over her life. I don't know if that makes sense. But this still does not give me my genre of the movie. Vincent, do you have anything to say? Vincent is saying that I should go look for inspiration. Okay, okay then, let's do this. Let's go look for inspiration. Part of the process. Okay, so I have a question for you. Like a really important question. Okay? You even muted.
Copyright music, you can't have it in your video.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, so the question is like if your life was a movie genre, what genre would it be?
Horror.
Why?
Horror comedy.
Oh, makes sense now. Makes perfect sense. I have a question for you.
What's that?
If your life was a movie, what genre would it be?
A thriller? There's always been lots of unexpected things that have happened throughout my life. So I don't know what to expect next.
I think it would be comedy because my life is quite tragic. So anybody's tragedy is comedy. So I think my life, it would be a comedy genre.
It would be a summer rom-com.
Why?
Because I like the vibe of a summer movie. I have this thing that I throughout the day put on this indie folk music which continuously feels like you're in a summer movie because summer movies are very happy, feel good, everything nice happens in summer movies.
So my friends are absolutely useless. They were actually good answers. Like I'm surprised at how well all of them answered. I just did not relate with any of them, so the inspiration clearly did not work for me. But that's okay because I have figured out the genre of my movie. So coming of age exactly होता क्या है? It's the story of a young soul जिसने शायद बहुत ज़्यादा दुनिया नहीं देखी, going out there into the world for the first time and living life, collecting experiences, discovering themselves and figuring out what truly matters. It's kind of a weird genre for your 20s, but I've lost like 3-4 years to the pandemic, so mentally I don't feel my age at all. Okay, मुझे अभी just कुछ चमका है. So मुझे लग रहा था कि I don't really have a narrative for my life and I just feel a little lost, but that's not the case. I did have a narrative for my life. It's just that it was in the wrong genre. मैं subconsciously अपनी ज़िंदगी ऐसे जी रही थी जैसे मैं किसी ड्रामा फिल्म में हूँ, इसलिए हर एक छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम भी बहुत बड़ी हो जाती थी. Like every little thing used to be the end of the world. I think I chose coming of age movies because they are chill, they're spontaneous, fun, adventurous, carefree. And it's not ये कि oh, this is the life I want to live या फिर this is how I want things to be all the time. It's just that मुझे लगता है कि मेरी ज़िंदगी में ये चीज़ें मिसिंग है या फिर these are the things that I look up to and these are the things that I want to incorporate in my life. And the only difference between the two is how I handle it, how I deal with it, you know, like my actions, my reactions, my behavior. That's the only difference between these two movies. Yeah, you learn something about yourself every day, and I'm just happy and proud of myself that I'm at least putting myself out of my comfort zone to realize कि हाँ ठीक है, this is something which I want in my life जो कि शायद मेरे पास नहीं है, and I'm trying hard to get that. And yeah, I'm happy about that. Guys, we are in a big problem. मेरे लैपटॉप का चार्जर इज़ ब्रोकन. It was acting shady earlier, not gonna lie. To top it all off, मेरे लैपटॉप की बैटरी भी ख़राब हो गई है. So my laptop is out of commission till it doesn't get repaired. मैंने सर्विस सेंटर वाले को कॉल किया 2 weeks. It's gonna take 2 weeks for them to replace the charger and the battery because apparently मेरा लैपटॉप outdated है. इसलिए उसकी बैटरी भी outdated, उसका चार्जर भी outdated है. You know, just a couple of weeks ago, मुझे पता चला, like someone educated me that my camera is outdated. इसलिए उसके lenses नहीं मिल रहे हैं क्योंकि उसका जो लेंस का माउंट है वो भी outdated है. मेरी ज़िंदगी में सब कुछ outdated क्यों है? Okay, breathe. Maybe this is a good opportunity to act like the main character of the movie. अभी हमारी movie coming of age है, so nothing is tragic, it's just funny. What is this trying to teach me? Let's try to make this fun. मेरे लिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा fun नहीं है. Let's try to make it fun for you. मेरी ज़िंदगी में सब कुछ इतना outdated क्यों है? Try to think of a punchline for that. मेरी ज़िंदगी में सब कुछ इतना आउटडेटेड है क्योंकि जिस दिन भगवान ने मुझे बनाया उनका वाईफाई नहीं चल रहा था, इसलिए वो कुछ अपडेट ही नहीं कर पाए. That's not too bad actually. If you have anything better, just leave it in the comments. I will pin the best one. But having said that, this is a serious problem. Like I have no idea what to do. Videos तो edit नहीं कर सकते, वो तो खैर छोड़ो. Like it doesn't really matter. I have a job. How am I supposed to work? Okay, so जुगाड करके I got this PC कहीं से जो आपल्याकडे प्राचीन काळातून आलेला आहे. It's ancient. I tried to install DaVinci Resolve in it, but I can't do that because इसमें graphics card ही नहीं है. Luckily or unluckily, it had the entire Adobe suite including Premiere Pro. I'm pretty sure all of it is cracked. But ठीक है, now I really don't have an option. I know how to edit on Premiere Pro. It's been a while, but I can do it. So I started editing. अभी ये इतना खटारा PC है, थोड़ा भी लोड हैंडल नहीं कर सकता. अभी you know the stage at which my project has reached, एक क्लिक करने के बाद 30 सेकंड लगता है कुछ होने के लिए, एक क्लिक करने के बाद. तो अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं जहर का इस्तेमाल करूँ या रस्सी का. The video was finally uploaded and it was absolutely the most torturous few days of my life. The things that I do for you guys. I just checked the YouTube Studio app and apparently my video is blowing up. It has like 30k views or something.
हेलो व्हाट्सअप
हेलो हाँ जस्ट चेक माई लेटेस्ट वीडियो मैंने उसकी लिंक भेजी है व्हाट्सएप पे. जस्ट चेक इफ द ऑडियो इज़ वर्किंग प्रॉपरली फॉर यू.
क्यों क्या हुआ?
जस्ट चेक एंड जस्ट लेट मी नो. मैं बताती हूँ बाद में.
हाँ मैं देख के कॉल बैक करता हूँ.
हाँ ठीक है फाइन. सो माई वीडियो ब्लू अप. कल मैंने सुबह चेक किया था, it was at 30k. शाम को मैं घर आई and I checked it again and it was at like 60k or something, and right now the next morning it is at about 100k. मैं of course अपना celebrate कर रही थी because why not, like after a long time a video has done so well and you never know, this could be the start of something new. मैं comments पढ़ रही थी. I was getting a lot of support, lot of good comments. Some hate comments also, which is by the way like one of the first signs that your channel or your video is about to blow up, when you start to get like hate comments and such. फिर उसमें एक comment आया कि मुझे ऑडियो सिर्फ एक कान से सुनाई दे रहा है. I was like, okay bro, and that's my business. Why did you not see the views? There are so many people. जो कि I'm pretty sure they would have mentioned अगर सबके लिए ये problem होता. सो आई थॉट कि ये बेचारा लड़का लड़की जो भी, इसका हेडफोन ख़राब हो गया एंड देन दैट पर्सन इज़ ब्लेमिंग इट ऑन मी. सो आई मूव्ड ऑन. थोड़े टाइम बाद मैंने चेक किया, उस कमेंट पे एक लाइक आया था, फिर 2 लाइक्स, फिर 3 लाइक्स, फिर 4 लाइक्स, फिर एक कमेंट आया कि हाँ मेरे साथ भी यही हो रहा है, फिर और लाइक्स, फिर और लाइक्स, फिर और लाइक्स, एंड राइट नाउ दैट कमेंट इज सिटिंग ऑन सम 200 लाइक्स और समथिंग. So मैं पागल हो गया. I was like, what the heck is happening? This better not be real. I called all of my friends. मैंने सबको बोला कि प्लीज़ मेरा ऑडियो चेक करो. जो भी तुम्हारे पास मतलब जितने सारे हेडफोन्स हैं सारे लगा के सारे यू नो A/B टेस्टिंग करके मुझे बताओ कि is something wrong with the audio. Apparently कुछ हेडफोन्स के लिए, स्पेसिफिकली द वायर्ड हेडफोन्स के लिए ऑडियो सिर्फ एक कान से आ रहा है. I know what is happening and I know exactly why this happened. The Adobe gods are mad at me because मैंने cracked version यूज़ किया. मैं पहले भी cracked version यूज़ करती थी, तो ये तब क्यों नहीं हुआ, अब क्यों हुआ? But yeah, it is unbelievable. You guys are the witness कि मुझे ये वाला वीडियो एडिट करने में कितनी मेहनत लगी, कितना स्ट्रगल देखा है मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में ये वाला वीडियो एडिट करने के लिए स्पेसिफिकली. एंड इतना सब करके यही वीडियो फटनी थी. Like this was the video that had to go viral. It is like how embarrassing is this? ये ज़िल्लत मैं नहीं सह सकती. This video, like ये जो फटी है, I am most likely going to unlist that video. So just enjoy it while you can. I just can't like have it on my channel. This is embarrassing. This is so embarrassing.
People will forget about it in like 5 seconds, bro.
Sure.
चल ना, सनसेट हो रहा है, देख के आते हैं. चल.
Man, I love your view.
I hate it.
What do you mean you hate it?
What's there to love? It's just buildings and concrete slabs. If it were trees or forests or like a mountain view, now that'd be something to love.
I think there's like a duality to it. Like the buildings are very symmetric and geometrical, and then everybody's windows are like a window to their lives, you know? It's like you're peeking into it. I don't know, like the symmetry and the chaos they add on to like the beauty of it, you know.
Hmm.
You know, you can people watch from here.
It's a little creepy, I think.
Not like that. Like, everybody has such complicated lives, you know, and you just get like a peek into kiske ghar mein kya chal raha hai, what's up with everybody.
Hmm. I think there's a word for this emotion that you're feeling. I can't remember the word right now. Sonder.
Sonder. Oh
That's
my
the one.
god. It's been ages since I've heard that word. It's like, you know, like one of those Pinteresty words like petrichor and all.
Yeah.
You know what we should do? We should make like a show, anthology, 8 episodes, and every episode is a story about a new character. But as we go through with the show, we find out that all these people live in the same building.
I think that maybe some of the characters can cross over into each other's episodes. Like the main character of episode 2, for example, could do a cameo in like episode 6.
Yeah.
Damn.
Okay.
That is pretty cool.
Netflix को बेचेंगे.
Yeah, Amazon Prime maybe.
MX Player तो ले ही लेगा. We often forget that there are people out there living stories and going through their own movies. My life has become really fun since I've started visualizing that all of us are in movies of our own and we are making cameos in each other's movies. Maybe as a friend, as a lover, or just a girl in the coffee shop. I could have ended the video at this point, but I felt that this video needed a little heart to heart where I'm just directly talking to you guys, unplanned, unscripted. So, if you have observed in movies, in series, initially our main characters are at least a little bit flawed. They may be a little reckless or a little selfish or a little arrogant. And eventually, as we progress through the story, they go through an arc which makes us root for them. बहुत कम कहानियाँ ऐसी होती है जहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग से ही द मेन कैरेक्टर इज एब्सोल्युटली परफेक्ट. इफ वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट अबाउट फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर्स, व्हाई डू वी नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दैट अबाउट आवरसेल्व्स? Why do we put that pressure on us to be perfect all the time, and why are we so scared of mistakes? There are so many people around me who want to do so many things, but they are barely doing anything because they are just so scared of doing the wrong thing. And quite frankly, that kind of makes for a boring story. I'm not saying कि जानबूझ के गलतियाँ करो when you know that that thing is the wrong thing for sure. I'm not saying do it for the plot. I am saying just live your life, man. Don't lead it with fear, lead it with curiosity, lead it with excitement. Take chances, take risks. Don't be scared of making mistakes. Just have that belief in you that no matter what, अगर गलती हो भी गई तो you are capable enough that you can recover from it. Make yourself उतना capable. Have that much self-belief in yourself. Like just live your life, man. मैं ऐसी एक चीज़ करने वाली हूँ जो कि दुनिया की नज़रों में might be a big risk or a big mistake, but my intuition is telling me that it is the right thing to do. But उसकी कहानी किसी और दिन.
Damn, I can't remember the word.
Now you remember the word.
Tell me the whole action first, and then I'll do it. People are gonna forget about it in
Take 3.
take 3.
Coming of age.
You can't say that. Already taken that one.
Nice.
Netflix को बेचेंगे.
Yeah, we're done.
You have to laugh. Netflix को बेचेंगे.
Yeah, fuck, that was too fake. It's too fake.
गिलास आधा खाली, मैं बोलूं आधा भरा, मैं बोलूं ये कितना ज्यादा, तू बोले जरा जरा, मैं बोलूं दिन है तू बोले रात नहीं, बात तो वही है ना, बस वही बात नहीं, बात तो है बस यही कि मेरी बात बस जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना, जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने